Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on SS1 further mathematics. At the last class, we have introduced the topic of sets, where we're able to take the first two objectives, which includes definition of sets and representation of sets in set notation. At the last class, I did explain to you that a set is a group of items or objects that are well defined or that have well defined characteristics that differentiate them from other groups. I gave you examples of sets, which includes students in a class, a family, members of a club, and so on and so forth, where we said a set is represented using a capital letter, and the elements of that set or the members of that set are referred to as the elements of that set, and they are enclosed in braces. And I gave you examples of them where I said the set can be represented as a capital letter. A is equal to elements of that set can be represented in small letters enclosed in braces. We equally said that elements of a set can be expressed as being members of the set by the use of a symbol, which we said A is an element of set A. So this symbol denotes that small letter A is an element of capital letter A. We equally look at representation of a set, where we said set can be specified by listing, description, by diagrams, and by enclosing within braces, of which I gave you so many examples on them. At that class, we were able to treat the first two objectives of sets. In today's class, we shall take the third objective, which says we are to distinguish the types of sets. So we shall be looking at types of sets in today's class. In the course of we having this class, I shall be defining some certain terms which will help us in today's class. For example, I would like us to start with the cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set simply means the number of elements you find in a set. For example, if I have a set A to be equal to 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, the cardinality of this set is said to be the number of elements that makes up this set. So the cardinality of this set is said to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the cardinality of a set is represented as n of A, which is equal to 6. So the cardinality deals with the number of elements that makes up that set.